Hey, so fast come out.
What do you mean by so fast?
Oyster. Like now, look like a retard. I've been to the one in original. Also, there's like fried.
I know why oysters. For the first time.
Why oyster, Becca?
I get it. Because happy food for couples.
Yes or no?
Likes it raw.
Yeah.
Delicious. I don't know.
I just take a small. You will also perfect.
Everything also going. No, it's fine. Give to Emily.
I don't think so big.
Try it.
I just want to try different ones.
This is the sauce, right?
Yeah.
Mustard.
Is it what?
Mustard. It's like
Pizza, try. Come on, you can do this.
raw.
Yeah, let's go. You just try
I'll eat the char one. No. Beer. I know it. I last time tried already. I will do it.
Ready? Cheers! Don't want choose with you.
Yeah.
Don't want you. Don't shake her. Don't want.
Yeah, I got the juice.
Okay. Put in about. Good? Good.
Ngon.
They can try one.
You can one with that.
I know I got one. I give you guys it. So after Nesa, you can go to Kema. What is Kema?
Toast off seat, and I said this is big enough for everybody.
crazy.
Can I get you guys any sauces, different sauces or anything? I have coleslaw.
Excited.
Maybe just the gumbo you put in.
Oh, you want some?
This one easier. This. Yeah, we. Wow, to bring back all this
Say, hey, Sean, we found a question for you.
Wow, cute.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna wear it.
Yeah. Becca's wearing it. Becca wearing it.
Oh my god.
Becca. Becca. Becca just went full retard.
Oh my god.
Can you see the road, Becca?
Oh my god.
Wow. Hi, Grinch. What's this? Christmas is coming. Money. Day 2. Today we are going to have breakfast, dinner, and then outlet. This is our Airbnb. A bit creepy, but it's okay. And then the bed, right? Like when we sleep, make a lot of noise. But in Midtown, right, Shadow? In Midtown, so it's pretty convenient. We are waiting for our friends before we go for dim sum and then outlet. 美好的一天即将开始。很可爱耶！哇 ，Happy Halloween！ Yeah. Cool, right? Wow. It's like spider webs. Cool. Wow.
Yeah. Dim Sum.
Dim Sum. Dim Sum. That's how much cafe. Still eat.
One egg cut.
Egg cut.
Yeah.
I want
Siu
mai.
Siu mai.
Was good? Yeah. We went to a Acme oyster bar. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, really, you can see a difference, right? Those people. One is mine.
Oh yeah, you learn how to cook all these things.
This outlet. Another outlet. While waiting for a catch another outlet. Thank you, Bobby. Shopping time. Look at the face. But you are the one who suggests to bring me outlet, no?
Now bring it to bookstore.
This one is what? Tanger outlets. Pop Reefs, let's go! So good.
Like it? Try the different sausage. You cut the sausage. Which one? I can take more than one. First stop, pick your car. So many options at the amount of cars. See? So you can book online and then they will choose a car for you and then you go and see which car you like. We have 5 hours so we need a big car for our luggage. Let's go, I guess. A car for the next how many days? For how many days? This one.
I want this one though. 1.5 week. It's our car. Woohoo. Hopefully can fit all the luggages. Should be okay. Go Bruno Mars live in Vegas, December.
Is that all the LV? Still. Korean barbecue. Get more time. There you go.
Bao
Bye-bye.
Northern Light.
Northern Light.
You cannot watch it nowhere. We watch in US. On the way to the sphere.
Let's go.
Let's
Best
go.
Korean barbecue.
笑了。
With great view.
Mushy want dance? Ready for F1. We are at the sphere. Wow. Check this out.
I am so special, and thank you, Sheila, for singing happy birthday to me.
What are you doing?
Meeting.
What are you doing?
Yeah, we
Las Vegas.
yesterday we went here, and then we all KO, and then now we are packing and leaving to
Grand Canyon.
Canyon. Let's go. Morning. Diners for breakfast. Everyone to breakfast. Let's go.
Welcome to America.
It's good. I think it's 7.
7. Becca, rate 1 to 10. Huh? The breakfast just now, rate 1 to 10. 9. 9? Well, Becca like it. What about you?
5.
What?
Maybe because
This is
first.
unacceptable. Not too bad. I rate 7.
Is there better ones?
In Hoover Dam.
Welcome to Hoover Dam.
Welcome to Hoover Dam.
It is a power generator for the whole, all the counties in Nevada state and southwest of the country. It is powered by hydroelectric.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Hoover Dam.
First destination, good morning. We are at Horseshoe Bend, right? Horseshoe Bend. Check this out. Pretty cold, but still okay. It's a pit stop before we go to Antelope Canyon. Hey? Oh, that'd be messy. we need to rush to Antelope Canyon. So, where is it? Yeah, I know. That's why I say it's a shortcut.
Shelter to get away from the heat when they were grazing the stock. But nobody ever lived inside the canyon here because these are floodwater canyons. Now, so people on my earlier tour, people were asking about petroglyphs, so this is all done by floodwater. This year we had about 9 flash flood deaths in the area here. We had some pretty good rain this year. Some flash floodings do not happen every year.
That's earlier and Japanese.
But summertime,
Guys, say hi.
The most stressful.
The most stressful tour.
Kita punya B40 trip.
B40 trip. Next time, our advice: take a private tour. You can have all the time you want.
September, or this was just happened a couple months ago too, where people were bringing in.
Okay, we are done with the Grand Canyon tour. Moshe, worth to come or not?
No, definitely not.
Ned, worth to come or not? Nine, worth to come. Chado, worth to come or not? Here.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's not worth. It's 100 USD, but it's super short tour, and we don't have enough time to take photos. It was like so much pressure from the team behind, and the tour guide was like, go, go, go. Maybe we need a private one next time. Anyway, it's still a beautiful place. Okay, next stop. Not sure where, but we'll see. Deciding. Peppa Pig is coming. We are bringing the pig to all the lions. Where are all the lions? Lions, Peppa Pig is here. Chado, what's this place called? Chado, what's this place called?
This place is called Toadstool.
And? Toadstool?
This is where the toad will sit down and chill.
We're gonna hike. This is what?
Called shell.
Shell?
Yes. See when it's oil and gas, it's where they trap it.
Where's the fault lines?
Let's continue.
closing door.
Stand clear of the closing door, please. Almost there.
Almost there. Oh, he has up there.
Huh? Really? Mine's bigger.
No, we go.
What? Watch your step.
Is that?
Low, is that the one? What? It's a rock.
Maybe we can start over.
Model in action.